Good evening. This is Peter Booker, and tonight I want to discuss Winter Storm Grayson as it moves through the mid-Atlantic tonight and impacts the Northeast during the day Thursday. Currently in Lynchburg, we have a temperature of 27 degrees. Our dew point is 4, and this makes the relative humidity 37%. Our winds are calm, and the barometric pressure is 29.89 inches and falling. Looking at the radar overnight, we can see snowfall activity over eastern Virginia, and this extends south into the state of North Carolina. The heaviest bands of snow at this time are located over, let's say, Williamsburg, into Emporia, and even further east into Suffolk and Norfolk counties in Virginia. This snowfall activity will continue to be heavy during Thursday morning. This is approximately, let's say, between the hours of 3 and 6 a.m., with the heaviest snowfall extending northward into southern New Jersey. As far as snowfall totals in our region, we can expect on the order of 1 to 2 inches around the city of Richmond, and off to the south and east, heavier amounts near Williamsburg on the order of 6 to 8 inches there, and still higher amounts near Norfolk and even Virginia Beach, where we could receive upwards of a foot of snow by the time the system moves out of our region. Later in the day Thursday, we can see the heaviest snowfall located over southern New York into New England, and the low pressure at this time will be around 976 millibars. As far as upstate New York, let's say near Albany, moving eastward into, let's say, Manchester and Bennington, on the order of 4 to 8 inches of snowfall could occur in this region. The heaviest amounts likely over southern Vermont and into Massachusetts at this time. And still later in the day on Thursday, the heaviest snowfall will likely be occurring over Boston, let's say north and east into Maine. Look at the low pressure at this time being around 964 millibars, and this is because of phasing between two low pressure systems, and this is the bombogenesis that we've been hearing about in the news. As far as snowfall totals, let's say in Massachusetts, on the order of 13 to 14 inches near the city of Boston. As for the 3-day forecast in central Virginia, Lynchburg can expect a high of 29 on Thursday and a low of 10 under mostly sunny skies. Wind speeds in the afternoon will be on the order of 10 to 15 miles per hour with wind gusts over 20. On Friday, much the same with a high of 23 and a low of 9. Again, wind gusts possibly over 20 miles per hour in the afternoon. And this means that on Friday morning and Saturday morning, we could experience wind chill values at or below 0. And then for Saturday, expect a high of 23 and a low of 8 under sunny skies. Again, winds will begin to calm down, thankfully, by Saturday. And temperatures will begin to warm for next week. Monday probably being our highest temperature with, let's say, temperatures getting into the 40s, but not before the possibility of snow, sleet, and freezing rain on Monday morning. So stay tuned for that. We could see some accumulations early Monday morning in this region, but again, being 4 or 5 days out, that could change. I hope you enjoyed the forecast tonight. Please stay tuned for further updates. If you enjoyed this forecast, please visit weathermarshal.com. Have a great night.